Do you ever want your country to be more cleaner? For your people to be more motivated to pick up trash and recycle them? But don't know how to do that properly, or don't even have the time to do that? But right here, we have the implementation for the RVMs, the reverse vending machines. And the country that has been implemented that program is Germany. RVMs were first implemented in Germany in the early 1990s. It was heavily adopted with the mandatory PFN system, deposit return system, in 2003. Germany has a 98% return rate, one of the most highest recycling rates in the world. Why has Germany have the most highest recycling rate? In Germany's culture, there has been a program called Green Recycle Period, and that program has been implemented to big companies. Those companies could be Pepsi, Coke, Snickers, Twix, and what that rule does for the companies, when a company buys or uses a recyclable product or material, it is more cheaper. And when they order or use a material which is non-recyclable or harder to recycle, it's more expensive. That's why in Germany, it is very easy to keep clean and recycle and implement this machine due to big companies and other major fast food shops, for example, will be able to use more recyclable stuff in the near future. And as of today too. And for Estonia, deposit return system, which is a bit different from the RVS but the same concept. Estonia has a deposit return system which applies to beverage containers. For the RVMs, what it does there, when you put when you pick up a trash can, for example, it gives you 50 pills or 100 pills in our country. And for Estonia, when you return the beverage containers, the one when like a cold store or a supermarket, you can see there's like cartridges for the bottles. When you return that container, they will give you back money. And each container has an extra 0.10 pounds charge that is returned to the consumer after returning the container. So people can be more motivated to return those containers instead of forgetting about it in a corner of their store or just keeping it by themselves. Since containers are plastic, and of course, if plastic is more produced in one area, it's going to become polluted. This can avoid pollution of these plastics and waste. And it also shows that mandatory forced action and policies are efficient in protecting the environment. Philippines, RVMs and deposit system challenges. RVMs and DRS are still in their early stages. There are few programs such as Eco Bento by SM, Bank of the Philippine Islands, BYB program, and the first RVM in the Philippines by IPRT. A few challenges are infrastructure, gaps such as facilities, lack of action, legislation and policy, and economic barriers and upfront investment. RVMs in Bahrain. RVMs in Bahrain are part of its efforts to sustainability and waste management. Green Vision Bahrain partnered with Averda to roll out RVMs across the country and return points that can be redeemed. Those points are mostly like the pills again, but in this early stage of the implementation, the pointing system has not really been developed yet, but there are evidence of RVMs in Bahrain that gives out 50 or 100 pills when you recycle a can or any type of recyclable product for the trash around Bahrain. And the rollout plan intended to place RVMs in educational institutions, for example, where we are right now, Philippine School Bahrain, expanding to major malls and even industrial zones later on.